Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today I have one topic to discuss, this huge galaxy cluster which allegedly formed just a couple billion years after the alleged Big Bang. So this is nonsense. Let's go to Science Daily, take a look. It says here, astronomers find a cosmic titan in the early universe. Astronomers have discovered a titanic structure in the early universe just 2 billion years after the Big Bang. This galaxy proto-supercluster, nicknamed Hyperion, is the largest, most massive structure yet found at such a remote time and distance. Let's see what else is. That pretty much takes care of it. Let's quote one of the investigators here. Superclusters closer to Earth tend to a much more concentrated distribution of mass with clear structural features, Lemeau said. But in Hyperion, the mass is distributed much more uniformly in a series of connected blobs populated by loose associations with galaxies. Ay, ay, ay. And, well, here's the part. The contrast between Hyperion and less distant superclusters is most likely due to the fact that nearby superclusters have had billions of years for gravity to gather matter together into denser regions, a process that has been acting for far less time in the much younger Hyperion. Given its size so early in the history of the universe, Hyperion is expected to evolve into something similar to the immense structures in the local universe, such as superclusters making up the Sloan Great Wall, or the Virgo supercluster that contains our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Well, I disagree with that. The Milky Way is not a part of the Virgo supercluster. Our local group is independent. All right, well, I mean, really. As usual, the conventional theorists are clueless. This huge galaxy cluster could not have formed in a mere 2 billion years after the alleged Big Bang. Obviously, the universe is much older than the conventional theorists say it is, and according to the reciprocal system, it's really at least 100 billion years old. All right, so that does it for today. Not much, but something to ponder. For the simplest possible explanation of the reciprocal system, please obtain my work, The Mysterious Universe, only 80 pages, has all the concepts, very little math, very easy to understand. But if you do want all the math, please obtain my magnum opus, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF and 711 slides in the PowerPoint file, thousands and thousands of equations, diagrams, tables, figures, everything you need. It'll take you months to go through. Once you get through with Existence and Interactions, then you can go on to my two database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database. Microcosmos database has the calculations of all the properties of matter, photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys, and both material and cosmic or inverse particles. There's also a very nice graphing facility there to plot the properties. The Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database has all the properties for the astrophysical world, the entire universe as a whole. Galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and dust clouds, and voids. Again, there's a nice graphing package included. Thousands of records covering many different astrophysical objects, and of course you can add your own. So, and recently TransPower Corporation reduced the price for these products substantially, except for the Mysterious Universe, which stays the same. But the two database modules are now only, believe this or not, $95. It's a huge, huge bargain for what you get. All right, that does it for today. Please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself, and thanks for your attention.